Hammering a nail, stacking them bills. I'm dog tired by the 5 o'clock hour, but I'm ready to bake a pail. And Jess is getting ready, I'm gassing up the Chevy. I'm gonna pick him up a 6, I hope he isn't so mean that he'll swear at his mom and throw a fit. The moon comes up and the sun goes down, we find a little spot on the edge of town. Twist off, drip a little acid around, dance in the dust, tie Emilio up. And that 5 whole million whispers temptation for 5 years. We're calling on Mike Saturday night, and that's how we cook around here. Yeah, that's how we cook around here. I've been hurting and lying and working while dying, doing all this for my kids. And crunching on the blue rocks, the gun is in the toolbox. I'm doing everything right, got the chemistry charm turned all the way on tonight. Yeah, the room blows up and then Gus comes out. He's got a little spot that is missing now. He's pissed off with a little tracker he found. And that's it with Gus, turn the radio up. And that IRS can't shove that taxation up my rear. We're calling on Mike Saturday night, and that's how we cook around here. Yeah, that's how we cook around here. Jesse knew what was up and he pours gas down. I find a little thought that'll help me out. Close off, pour a little gas on the ground. And that is enough when the family shows up. And that IRS can't shove that taxation up my rear. We're using thermite Saturday night, and that's how we get the barrel out here. Yeah, that's how we get it out here.